In this video, I will show you how to change audio file or music or sound from any CapCut template to your own music or your own sound. Let me show you how. Open up your CapCut app. Proceed to templates. Then from here, you can choose any of the template that you want to use right here. Like for instance, I'm going to use this new template right here. So I'll simply click on here to open up the template, just like so. Now here, next thing we want to do right here is to simply go ahead and click on use template. Just like so. Then next thing we want to do is to go ahead and select video or photo that we want to use for the template. So I'm going to select photo right here. The next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and click on album. Then from the album here, I'm going to simply go ahead and select the photo that I want to use. So I'm going to select photo from here. So I'm going to select this photo and I'm going to select this and I'll hit on next. Just like so. So if I play template, now you see video has been let's play the video just like so. Now we have it right here. So we can add as many as possible image into this template right here. So if I click on here now to add more image, so I'm going to click on here. Then I will select more image. Then I'm going to click on next. Now let's play the template now. Just like so. Now, how can we change the sound or the music of this template right here? So for that, what we want to do is to click on original right here. The next thing you want to do is to click on add sound. The next thing you want to do is to click on here. Then go ahead and click on device. Then from your device right here, select whatever audio you want to add. The more you scroll down, the more you see all audio you have in your device gallery, just like so. So I'm going to select this one right here. You can listen to the audio before you add it. So if you are not comfortable with the one you select, click on another one. So if you are comfortable with this, click on this plus sign right here. This will add a new audio, just like what you see right here. Now the template is being done successful and replaced with a new audio. Lastly, go ahead and click on export tab right here to export your video from the CapCut template. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.